Have you ever caught yourself thinking, my child is having a bad behavior, so I must be a bad parent?
If so, you're not alone. Let's be real. This belief is stealing your joy and making your parenting a constant battle against shame and guilt.
What if I told you, this toxic belief is not only untrue, but is causing you to miss a beautiful opportunity for growth and grace in your family?
Imagine not just finding peace in your family, but being able to encourage a friend who's struggling with the same lie.
Today we're going to unpack this toxic belief and replace it with God's truth, so you can find freedom and share that hope with others.
As we dive in, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks to the dad who shared this one with us.
What's a toxic belief that's been weighing you down as a parent?
Drop it in the comments or submit it in the link below so we can speak directly to it in a future video.
And don't keep this message to yourself. Share it with a friend who could use some encouragement in their parenting journey.
Hi, we are Jarrett and Luisa with Built on Rock Parent Coaching, and we are here to help you replace lies with life-giving truths so you can parent with peace, joy, and confidence.
Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll walk away feeling lighter and more equipped to handle whatever challenges come your way.
Let's dive into this toxic belief together. My child is having a bad behavior, so I am a bad parent.
When we bring this belief to prayer, here's what we hear from the Lord. Peace be with you, my child. Do your misbehaviors and sin show me to be a bad parent? No, they don't. And neither do your children's misbehaviors define you as a parent. The quality of your parenting is shown in your response to these moments. Imitate me in my fatherhood. Be steadfast in love, patient in guidance, and merciful in your corrections. Reject condemnation and see your child with mercy, looking through their actions to perceive the state of their heart. What is moving them to misbehavior? What do they need right now? And what are they believing at this moment? Intervene on their behalf. Offer empathy, connection, aid, and a path forward. In these ways, you will shepherd your child to green pastures, restore their soul, and lead them along paths of righteousness for the sake of my name. I am with you always, shepherding you as you shepherd them. Trust in me and abide in my grace.
Doesn't that change everything? We don't need to be alarmed, ashamed, or discouraged by our child's misbehaviors. These moments, challenging as they are, become sacred opportunities for God's grace to come alive into our lives. In fact, with this truth in mind, we can even begin to look for these moments as invitations. An invitation to step into God's vision and calling to parent with peace, confidence, and love.
Imagine the transformation that happens when we parent this way. Instead of reacting out of fear or frustration, we can respond with clarity, grace, and connection. Our children's hearts are restored, and our own hearts are strengthened as we grow in our calling as parents.
We want you to make these grace-filled truths a part of your daily life. That's why we put together a collection of beautiful, printable reminders to decorate your home. Truths that speak life and hope into your parenting.
Follow the link below to download them today.
And don't forget to share this message with a friend who needs encouragement in their parenting journey.
As always, we're praying for you. Please pray for us.
May God bless you and your family. See you next time.